Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening anywhere in the world. Welcome back to our Global Weekly Updates. My name is Ken Yung on behalf of Duong Global. We have three items I want to talk to you about today that will be very interesting going forward, especially as Vietnam on March 15th will come out of the pandemic and open up for international tourism. So the first thing I want to talk about is what entertainment is being brought to Vietnam and who is bringing Disneyland to Vietnam. The second item is what is the foreign direct investment into Vietnam and who is leading that charge. And then finally, we will talk about the recovery of the supply chain and also industrial investment into Vietnam. So first, let's talk about coming into Vietnam. Mr. Jonathan Bao Han Nguyen, who is the president of Pan Pacific Group, is one of the largest investors into brands. So he's been talking to Disneyland, Universal Studios in the United States to bring them into Vietnam. Disneyland could possibly come into the south, and the Universal Studios could possibly come into the north. So those are the two that are looking to come into Vietnam through the help of Mr. Jonathan and his company. So we'll see what happens. It'll be exciting because Disneyland's a big company with a big brand. And in fact, we just saw the CEO of Disneyland Vietnam, Mr. Thăng, just a little bit right here as well. The second item I want to talk about is who is the biggest foreign direct investor into Vietnam, or at least committed for 2022. Guess who's number one? Singapore, with $1.7 billion of commitment and investment in the first 2 months. And number two is Korea with $1.4 billion. And then the rest as well, including Japan, United States, and other European countries. So it's looking very bright for Vietnam as it opens up its stores and look for more foreign direct investments. In fact, we are here in front of Keppel Land, which is a Saigon center invested by a Singaporean company. And the third item is the recovery and how the manufacturing is coming back into Vietnam. So first, on March 15th, Vietnam is expected to open for full tourism into the country. Thus, it will be open to all tourists to get your multiple entry visas. And second, manufacturing is starting to come back. We're receiving a lot of requests for companies coming into Vietnam. And also GDP is still maintained at a certain level as well. So those are the three exciting things I want to talk to you about in this Global Weekly Update. As always, on behalf of Duong Global, my name is Ken Yung. Thank you very much for watching this video. But make sure that you like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell for notifications, and also comment below on what else you want to hear about what's happening in Vietnam. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.